I'm Julia Mendiolea. We're at Canworks in Denver, and you really don't want to miss this captivating performance by the stunning Jillian Grutta, aka Jilly FM. Are we ready, everybody? Yeah! Let's do this.
Hello, this is Julia FM. Is it recording right now? Yeah. I love this. Wait, oh, I can't cuss, right?
Hello, Jillian.
Hi.
We're in the UMS Mini.
Yes.
We're driving around. We're gonna see some sights, see some of Denver.
42nd Street.
How do you feel that your music has changed and evolved since you've been here?
Deep down in my core, since I was in my youth, I feel like that I kind of wanted to be like a pop star, essentially. I think Denver's a really inspiring place. It's also a place that I will always remember about. This is kind of the place where I feel like I found myself.
Oh, there's the drone.
Oh, what do we do during this? Hi. They broke into me. These are peeps. I do, but meet you when the sun sits down. Waking up.
Here we are
waking up,
at Canworks.
Waking up, yeah, waking up. Waking up, waking up. Waking up, yeah, waking up. Is all pretend. We live inside of our dreams. We made the rules to bend. 'Cause it's only a dream, it's only a dream, it's only a dream. Up and down, sink or swim. Treading water, hearts open, flow to the sea, capsize cold, keeping this together, but we break the mold, say it, break the mold, break the mold, say it, break the mold, break the mold, say it, break the mold, break the mold, say it, break the mold. All pretend. We live inside of our dreams. We made the rules to bend. 'Cause it's only a dream, it's only a dream. Yes, it's only a dream. Up and down, sink or swim, treading water, hearts open, flow to the sea, capsize cold, keeping this together, but we break the mold, say it, break the mold, break the mold, say it, break the mold, break the mold, say it, break the mold, break the mold, say it, break the mold. 'Cause this is all pretend. This is all pretend. This is all pretend.
So this feels like we're just a couple old friends getting some beers.
Oh, we are.
We actually met back in the day at UC Denver.
Yep.
Do you want to tell us about what your experience was like there?
Yeah. I had an excellent time in college. I had a great college experience. I had highs and lows through all of it, and UC Denver was the rock of everything, like, for me being here. So I come from a small town, and that school gave me an opportunity to just go, wow, and like find myself and meet people that helped, like, that we're all together on this crazy ass journey, and just, it was great. And the music program is excellent, and they're coming up in the ranks, and I saw their stuff online. Like, they're like, are they number one?
I don't know if they're number one.
They ain't number one,
but they're climbing up
they
that
could
ladder.
be close. Yeah, exactly.